Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, March 31st, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, I called the Dow up for today. I honestly thought this bull spike down here was so powerful that this would propel us into at least one more upside day. I was wrong. The Dow ended up closing down 31 points. It tried to rally a little here earlier in the day, but it just did not have any strength, and it fell off. And I could see how the lack of strength in the overall market in the trades we had. Nothing wanted to fly today. We ended up, and it wasn't a horrible day for us. It was just kind of a lousy day. We ended up closing out negative $2,400, and we're carrying negative 4,000 going into tomorrow. Um, we didn't get into a lot, and we didn't have a lot coming in, but which was good because this just wasn't a good environment today for trading. I'm going to call the Dow down for tomorrow. Now, I don't want you to think I think we're going into a bear market or something silly like that. I I think it needs to come down. It may come down just to our red line here, and then bounce off of that and take another run at these higher prices up here. Uh, we're not going to see a big sell-off tomorrow, I don't think, but I am going to call it down. It needs to kind of rest and recuperate a little before it makes another run at the top. I don't have too much to show you today. I'll show you just a couple stocks. Uh, this first one is Bishop Vips. Uh, we bought this yesterday, and it started looking promising, and then it basically closed just slightly positive, but it took off on the open today, and we ended up taking $1,500, $1,500 out of it on this pop. But then it kept going. We got the re-entry here, and then it kind of trailed off, and we're negative $400. So that's not real promising, but yet overall, Vips Shop was profitable today for us, although pretty mild. And then one more decent one. This one we've talked about before. This is Sempra that seems to be in a good positive mode right now. 3 days ago, we had bought this here, got out of it yesterday with $3,000 profit, and then it pulled back a little after we got out, and then pops up. We got into it again today, and it looks pretty steady, and we're holding $1,500, 1,500 going into tomorrow. So of all the stocks were trading the last couple of days, Sempra looks the best. Anyway, mild losing day today. I'm not at all discouraged. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.